Okay. The first thing we're going to put is the cream cheese into the bowl, room temperature. This one, you need 32 ounce. Okay. And you're gonna put the cream cheese, both of them in there, and then you're gonna put the sour cream. No, you're gonna put the sugar first. A cup of sugar, and then you're gonna put a teaspoon and a half of vanilla. And then blend that until it's soft. Well, I would if it was plug in. It's not plug in. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's all blended in. It should look like this. Next thing we're gonna add is the 1/8 of salt. And we're gonna add the sour cream. We're gonna add 2/3 of a cup. That's my baby. It's watching a show. We're also gonna add 1 egg right now. And you add the egg slowly. I'm gonna add another egg. This is the second egg. Be careful not to get any shells in there. The third egg. And the fourth. It should look like this. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get a pan, a round pan. I think it's not yet, not sure though. Baby, can you get me aluminum foil, please? Aluminum foil. I think it's the 9-inch one, right? About right? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do, it's called Baño de Maria. I don't know how to say it in English. I guess bath, Mary bath. You put this pan to another bigger pan that fits this, and you put water into the bottom pan. But you gotta cover this with aluminum foil so the water won't go in. Bring the whole thing. The whole thing. Give me. Okay. This is just me being very precautious because you don't want that water to go in or the whole thing will be messed up. Okay, now you're gonna take a spatula, right, and you're gonna pour the whole thing. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to do the Baño de Maria. Take a pan like this, deep enough to put the water in. Then you take the cheesecake with the pan and you put it in the middle. You put water in the pan. And you're gonna bake that for about 115 minutes or 75 minutes, where you wanna do it. And then after that, you turn it off and you let it cool. You let it cool for about an hour. And then after it's cool enough, you can move it to the refrigerator and let it set for 6 hours after that. Okay, and then how you make the New York style cheesecake. How I make it, at least. Enjoy. Okay, so it's been 75 minutes and I'm just taking it out. Because I let it cool for an hour after the 75 minutes. I didn't open the oven at all. So now I'm going to transfer the rest. They're going to chill for at least 6 hours or overnight. Take it out. Open the fridge and put it in there for the rest of the night. And in the morning, it will be firm up and ready to go. Okay. But yeah, that's how it works. And the water, some does get evaporated. You notice right here. See the line? It does get. But this works, and it doesn't burn your crust, and it doesn't burn the bottom at all. So this is the best way to do it. So this is the end. I take it out of the pan. Perfect. Now if you want, you can add toppings, strawberry, cherry, whatever topping you want. And if you want to do the crust, you take graham crackers, you'll take butter. I think it's a half cup of butter. And you keep mixing it until you get the crust, form the crust. But I like New York cheesecake, so I don't really do the crust. Or you can buy the crust that Walmart sells and just put butter in it and crunch it up and put it into one of these pans first, and then put the cheesecake filling that we did earlier. But Walmart sells this for about $2. It's from the cookie company with the L's. I forgot what it's called. But they sell it for $1.98, $2. But if you want, you crush it up into a bag of Ziploc bag, and you put a half cup of butter, and you keep squeezing it, and then you just put it in the bottom of the crust, and then form it, and then put the filling on top. Well, and this is the end. Hope you like it. Thank you. Until next time. Bye bye.